With the summer season fast approaching, crews on the Bonner Bridge construction project are steadily surpassing project milestones as they work to span Oregon Inlet. At the northern construction area, the last of the project's pilings have been driven as crews focus on the installation of the remaining footings, columns, and caps that will rise to meet the new navigation span. In the navigation zone, crews are nearing completion of the two remaining navigation spans, upon the completion of which crews will then connect the northern half of the structure to the southern half. As work on and above the waters of the navigation zone is expected to progress through the middle of June, mariners in the area should expect periodical safety zone closures of the existing marine navigation channel and the span south of the main navigation channel for a period lasting up to 2 hours, pending advanced notice from the Coast Guard and NCDOT. An updated listing of these closures can be found at www.ncdot.gov/NC12. At the southern end of the project, crews have set the last of the bridge's 180-foot-long southern girder spans, the longest in the state of North Carolina, connecting the bridge's navigation zone to the southern shore. As crews continue to construct and pour the southern approach's decking, they are also working to wrap up work on the bridge's southern ramp that will connect the bridge to the roadway. Further south on Pea Island, after painting the final traffic line markings, the Captain Richard Etheridge Bridge has officially been completed, with all work zone and traffic restrictions having been lifted in that area. Those traveling the Bonner Bridge should expect daytime lane closures of NC12 Monday through Friday. One lane will remain open during these lane closures, however, motorists should allow extra travel time. NCDOT urges motorists in these areas to stay alert, obey posted speed limits, and watch signs for construction information and lane closures. Mariners in the area of Oregon Inlet should also maintain caution and keep clear of buoys, anchor lines, and barges working on the water. Updates and notifications of any maritime delays can be found via the U.S. Coast Guard's local notice to mariners, broadcast notice to mariners, and marine safety information bulletins. Visit ncdot.gov/NC12 for more information regarding the Bonner Bridge replacement project, as well as updates on the area's traffic and travel information.